Hello and welcome to the section 6, Angular Animations. Animations in Angular. Animations are the great way to express your item in a web with feelings. So, you should use the animations when you want to make your website more user interactive and more looking good. So, for that purpose, you need to go to the module.ts file here. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the top one and you need to import component with the module ts anyway, and go to the very top, and here anywhere you just need to import the element, as I'm doing that, browsers animations module, and after that adding the from Angular slash platform browser slash animations. Okay, perfect. Spelling should be clear. Okay, the browser animation module. Now the second thing I need to do is to go to the ng module, and there in the imports area here, add another comma at the very last element and type browser animation module. Okay, I got that already. So now we've successfully imported the Angular animation